You have put a lot of work into your PDF documents, but if you are sharing them without a watermark, they are completely unprotected. Anyone can copy, share, or even claim your work as their own. But the good thing is, now you don't need a computer to fix this. In this video, I'll show you how to add a professional watermark to any PDF file directly from your iPhone using a very simple tool. First, open the App Store and download the Systweak PDF Editor app on your iPhone. You can also use the link given in the description below. Once installed, open the app. Now on the home screen, tap on PDF Tools. Scroll down a little and you will see the watermark option. Tap on it. Next, tap on Open Document and find and select the PDF file that you want to add the watermark to. Now tap on Add Watermark. You will see a watermark text box appear on the PDF. Simply tap on that box to bring up your keyboard and type the text you want to use. This could be confidential, your company name, or your own brand name. Once done, tap on Apply. You can fully customize your watermark. You can change the font style, adjust the size, rotate the watermark, change the transparency, and reposition it anywhere on the page. You also have the option to choose exactly where the watermark appears. You can set it to show only on the current page or apply it across all pages of the document at once. Now, if you want to use a logo instead of text, look at the top on the screen and tap on Image option. Here you can either upload a pre-made logo from your photo gallery or tap on the camera icon to take a quick photo of a physical stamp or signature. Just like the text, you can adjust the size and replacement of your image logo until it's perfect. And you are done. You can share your PDF file directly from here or save it in the files by tapping on Share option. So that was it. Wasn't this super easy? If you are facing any tech-related issues or have questions about other PDF features, feel free to share them in the comments. We will try to help you out. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tech videos.